Are you struggling with changing get parameters in your Laravel application? It can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together and find a solution. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you need to modify a URL, but can't seem to find the right way to do it. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I change a value of the query string variable in Laravel and return the modified URL as a string? They shared their code and expressed their confusion about why the changes weren't reflecting. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When you use the merge method on the request object, it updates the parameters in memory, but does not modify the original URL. This can be a common point of confusion for many developers. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to change the URL parameters, but also have a handy tip that will make your Laravel development smoother. To modify the query string in Laravel, the user can utilize the request object to retrieve the current query parameters. First, they should get the existing parameters using the all method. Next, the user can change the specific parameter they want to modify. In this case, they will change the type parameter to a new value. After modifying the parameter, the user can build the new URL using the route and the modified parameters. This can be done with the route method and passing the updated parameters. Finally, the user can return the modified URL as a string. This allows them to use the updated URL without any redirects. Fun fact, Laravel was created by Taylor Otwell in 2011, and it has quickly become one of the most popular PHP frameworks. It's amazing how far we've come in just over a decade. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the current URL method. They recommend combining the current URL with the query parameters from the request to create the modified URL string. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the full URL with query method. This method allows you to merge existing query parameters with new ones, effectively replacing or adding values as needed. Here's a pro tip. Always remember to validate your query parameters before using them. This can save you from unexpected errors and make your application more robust. And there you have it. You now know how to change get parameters in Laravel and return the modified URL. Keep experimenting and improving your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.